Welcome back to The Death of the Angel by Piazzolla. Let's see what he does with all this wonderful, juicy harmony and almost improvised runs. La Muerte chords by Astor Piazzolla. Okay, here we go. Lovely semiquavers to sextuplet run. I suggest here at 7th position so that you can go 4, open, 2, and then staying in position, 3, 1, 3, 4, bar on, really important, 1, 3, so that you get into that 7th chord. Again, looking ahead to the chord shapes that I know are coming up, that's really important. From this point, you're going to move down into 3, exposing your A, C and F. Important to get that C. It's a C is a pickup note. Open A. 5. Open strings. First finger up. Minor shape. Minor shape. Back down as 3, 2. And then we're into the next run. So the next run on its own is fingering. Not that difficult because it's all open position. 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0 before we're into this chord shape here. However, from F, it's 7. And so I suggest you slow it so that it makes it nice and simple for that run. From this B, open, staying in position. 4, 1, 4. Again, that lovely chord. Off. Minor 9. Before we're into the next idea. So again, work those together. It is possible to play these chords in another position if you need them. But I don't like this shape here, that E shape, so I just prefer and make it a little bit more dramatic. Okay, welcome to the next micro study. So we're all bass notes here. Again, I'm looking ahead because I know that I have this chord shape coming up. So my fingering is going to facilitate that. Thumb doing most of the work. Triplet. Open. 1, 1. Pull off. This is a 5. Now it is possible to do this on the 5th string, so that's your chord. I just prefer the sound. That is going to be your chord. Okay, so we left it off. D minor. 5 notes again. Stay in position. 2, 3, 4. I would suggest off straight away. It doesn't matter, but that's your chord. 1, 3, open, so that you can get into this shape here. It's G minor. 3, 4. Down. Again. Open if you want to, then 1 and 3. But you could actually stay in position for this. And then down. That's going to be your call. Staccato. 5. Next chord shape. 3, 4. Half bar off. 3rd finger up on my head. 1, 4, and then again into this fantastic A7 chord again, 3rd time, before we start to pick up the pace as Piazzolla moves us as a turnaround bar back up to the top and into a tempo. Practice that. It's a lovely section. There are possibilities to use open strings to jump and bounce about. It is also possible to finger it another way, so take my fingering as a starting point. All right, here we go. Piazzolla is going to move us to the top. Here we go. D, triplet, 4, super important because it's going to go up to the F, the C, the G, and the G. Then your second finger is going to have to bounce to get that B in. Open B, 4, 1. And then here you're going to, so again, we're going to be a little bit of a fiddly position. 2, 3, 4, first finger prepped on a C. In the bar. Stretch out. 3, 4, 2, 1. And now it's B, E, and F with the B here. then 3-1. But you could, if necessarily, cut that B out. You don't need it. And then again, little preemptive A, D, F, B. Leaving those fingers on, getting that so you can get that clash. And then it's lovely and simple. Hammer-ons, open, stretch, E to C, open, B to C. And then you're into that fantastic sort of moving bass line. Take it slowly, one trick at a time, one chord at a time if necessarily. Work those left-hand fingers. It's more challenging at the beginning of the section than it is at the end. In essence, you need to be aware of where it starts to accelerate, and of course, mainly it is make this lento cantabile. So it's got to sing, it's got to have passion. You're going to pull back a little bit on the tempo, but it's still going to be there in parts. But you can have fun with the section. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. The next video in the series is going to pop along now. We're going to see where Piazzolla takes us and how we finish up. This is your daily dose of 6-string inspiration from Classical Guitar Rocks.